Welcome to Sri JT Government Facilitated College Mundargi from the Department of Commerce for BCom 6th semester Business Law, the last module and the last content, that is Consumer Grievance Redressal Agencies. Consumer Protection Act is woven to give relief to the consumer who is not in a position to knock the doors of the court to fight his case due to high cost of litigation, and therefore he need cheap and quick justice. To meet this objective, the Act provides a three-tier quasi-judicial redressal machinery at the district, state, and national level for redressal of consumer grievances. Section 9 lays down for the establishment of a consumer dispute redressal forum to be called as the district forum established by the state government. A consumer dispute redressal commission to be called the state commission, and a national consumer dispute redressal commission to be called the state commission. The district commission, we shall move for first district forum. District forum is established by the state government in each district of the state by notification in the official gazette. However, the state government may, if it seems fit, establish more than one district forum in a district. Then how the composition of the district forum will be? As per section 10, each district forum shall consist of a president who is a district judge, who is a district judge, shall be its president, and two other members, one of whom shall be a woman, who shall have the following qualification. The first is their age must be not less than 35 years. They possess a bachelor degree from a recognized university. And one more thing is, they shall be a person of ability, integrity, and have a adequate knowledge in the field of accountancy, economics, commerce, industry, law, public administration, etc. These are the qualification which is essential to become the member of the district forum. Now, every appointment of these parties made by the state government on the recommendation of a selection committee. Then the selection committee consists of a president of the state commission, he may be a chairman, a secretary, a law department of the state is a member, the secretary in charge of the department of consumer affairs in the state, he is also a member. The committee consists of totally 3 members. Every member of the district forum shall hold office for a term of 5 years or up to the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. In case of retiring members, is eligible for reappointment for a further term of 5 years. The salary or else the remuneration or honorarium and other allowances payable to, and the terms and conditions of the services of the members shall be such as may be prescribed by the state government.